Microsoft 365 versus Office 365. What's the difference? Choosing the right productivity suite can completely change how you work and collaborate without confusion. Microsoft 365 offers a full cloud experience, while Office 365 focuses on core apps and services. Microsoft 365 and Office 365 are both Microsoft productivity platforms, but the core difference lies in scope. Office 365 primarily delivers access to Office apps and cloud services, whereas Microsoft 365 combines these with additional security, device management, and Windows licensing for a complete ecosystem. Office 365 is a subscription-based service that provides access to Microsoft's essential productivity apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. It works by offering cloud-based versions of these applications, allowing users to work from anywhere with internet access. Office 365 updates apps regularly and includes collaboration tools such as Teams and SharePoint. Its strengths lie in delivering reliable, familiar Office tools with cloud integration, making it ideal for businesses and individuals focused on productivity without extra overhead. However, Office 365 does not include Windows operating system licenses or advanced security features, which means users need separate solutions for device management and endpoint protection. It suits users who primarily want Office apps and cloud storage without additional IT management tools. Microsoft 365 builds on Office 365 by bundling the same Office applications and cloud services with advanced security, device management, and Windows 10 or 11 licenses. It works as an all-in-one subscription that integrates productivity tools with endpoint protection and management capabilities through Microsoft Intune and Defender. This means businesses can secure devices, manage updates, and control access all within the same platform. Microsoft 365's strengths include comprehensive coverage of software security and operating system needs, making it perfect for organizations looking for a unified IT environment. The main limitation is the high cost compared to Office 365 alone, which might be unnecessary for users who only need Office apps. Microsoft 365 is ideal for enterprises and professionals requiring enhanced security, compliance, and device management alongside productivity tools. Comparing Microsoft 365 and Office 365 comes down to scope and business needs. Office 365 fits well for users focused on core Office apps and cloud collaboration without additional security or device management. For example, freelancers or small teams who primarily need Word, Excel, and Outlook will find Office 365 sufficient and cost-effective. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, is suited for larger organizations or IT-managed environments requiring integrated security, Windows licensing, and device control. A company deploying hundreds of devices benefits from Microsoft 365's centralized management and protection features. The trade-off is price and complexity. Microsoft 365 costs more and includes features unnecessary for casual users. Choosing depends on whether you need a pure productivity suite or a comprehensive platform covering apps, security, and OS management. Office 365 is recommended for individuals and small businesses seeking essential Office apps and cloud services without the need for advanced security or device management. Microsoft 365 is the better choice for enterprises and users who require a full suite of productivity tools combined with robust security and device management. It delivers an all-in-one solution that simplifies IT while enhancing productivity and protection across devices.